Good morning to all my students. In our previous class, we were discussing about the first chapter, a model of the earth. And in that chapter, we were discussing about what is a globe, then what this globe shows, otherwise what this globe indicates. Then we were saying about the globes, north side, north pole, then south side, south pole. Then in the globe, different colors are noted, and the blue color indicates water bodies known as oceans. Then soon we dealt with 5 oceans. Then we move to continents. Then we define what is a continent. Then after defining the continent, we were saying about the 7 continents. Then we were saying about an imaginary line, and that imaginary line halfway, an imaginary line was there, and that line is known as equator. Likewise, we were discussing about so many points during the last class. And in that last class, I forget to say about one thing, that is hemisphere. I told you that if you are just imagine a ball as a globe, and that upside we will say it as north pole, and downside we will say it as south pole. In that sense, we have to deal with hemisphere. Hemisphere means, half. So that upside, north side, that hemisphere is known as northern hemisphere, and down south it is known as southern hemisphere. And then now we are going to discuss about the remaining points, and the first point is parallels of latitude. My dear children, those who have textbook, you can open your textbook, and while I am explaining all these things, so it will be easy for my dear children to understand what I am saying. So we are moving with parallels of latitude. Look here. First we should know what is a latitude. What is a latitude? Latitude means the lines running parallel to the equator. Here in this picture itself, you can see the lines running parallel to the equator. These are the parallel lines. The lines running parallel to the equator is known as latitudes. And what is the speciality of all the latitudes? These latitudes, the lines of latitudes are numbered from the equator. All the latitudes are, all these latitudes are numbered from the equator. It will start from the equator. First priority we have to give for this imaginary line, that is equator. Then all the lines begins at 0 degree, and after the equator, we can see it begins from 0 degree. Then equator is the longest of all the parallels. Among all these lines, equator is the longest line. Then, my dear children, we are moving with the special parallels of latitude. This is a very important topic. During your exam time, they can ask one question from this part. Define special parallels of latitudes. So, we have to study it thoroughly. For that only, I have here one picture is given. My dear children, I am not a drawing teacher, so that it will not be apt. So you have to go through the textbook. First, if the question is asked like this, first in your answer sheet, you have to draw a picture like this. Then you have to mention the special parallels of latitude. So you have, just look here, this is a globe, okay? And this center, this imaginary line is known as equator. Imaginary line is known as equator. And nearby the equator, you have to understand one thing. All this upside is considered as north. last class itself I told you that globe, when we consider globe, two end poles are there and this upside is north pole and downside is south pole. That you have to keep it in your mind. You have to thoroughly know that this upside we will consider it as north and downside we will consider it as south. So after drawing the equator that send the imaginary line, this upside we will consider it as north. So upside nearby equator, first thing is coming, that is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, and we have to mark the degree 23.5 north. Don't forget, you have to thoroughly study only one side. So it will be easy for you to write the down part, because after equator, upside, all the things we will write it as north and all the things we will write here down as south. So thoroughly you have to study what all things come upside the equator. What all things will come? That is, first center line is equator, then nearby equator, Tropic of Cancer. It denotes 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north. Then after Tropic of Cancer, then upside next coming is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle denotes 66.5 degree north. 66.5 degree north. And one long line is there. Can you see one long line? That long line is known as longitude. Long means longitude. It also, here also, we can say it as axis also. This line can be say as axis also. It denotes 90 degree north. 90 degree north. So equator at the center, the nearby equator, Tropic of Cancer, it denotes 23.5 degree north. Then Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. So north side, all the things are over. Then when we move to the downside, that is, I told you, we have to take it as south pole. When we go through south pole, after the equator, next come Tropic of Capricorn. This Tropic of Capricorn denotes 23.5 degree south. That is the main point you have to think. If you are writing here, instead of south, if you are writing as north, your mark will go. That's so you have to be very careful. Under this center line equator, upside you have to mark all the things as N, north. And downside, all the things you have to mark it as south. So downside first, Tropic of Capricorn, 23 degrees south. Then Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. So these are the special parallels of latitude. That is, latitude means lines running parallel to the equator. Equator means an imaginary line. Then next move we are saying lines of latitudes are numbered from the equator. Always it will start numbering from the equator and it at 0 degree. First we have to write it as 0 degree. Then only we will be moving up and we will be going down. Then equator is the longest of the parallels. That we were saying about special parallels of latitude. So when they ask you to write in your answer sheet and all, you have to give the heading as special parallels of latitude. And if you can draw, you have to draw this one. After drawing, you have to write this one. So once again I will say, when they asked you to write the special parallels of latitude, first you have to write equator. Equator 0 degree. So when we draw, first itself that center you have to mark it as equator. So that will be okay. After equator, I told you, upside we will consider it as what? North. So all the things when you write, you have to indicate it as north. Soon after the equator, first north side, first you have to mark Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. Then Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. Then when we move to the downside, we have to indicate all the things by writing S. So after the equator, Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree south. Then Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. So my dear children, these are the special things, important things you have to remember while you are reading this chapter. Special parallels of latitude, what is meant by latitude, then special parallels of latitude. These you have to write and keep it at the back side of your notebook, and while we are reading, it will be easy for you to understand.